I'm burping. Not really burping, but I'm getting hiccups.
Right. Have you seen everything you wanted
no.
Ready to move on now?
Not yet. I want to see the infinite hole. Yeah, hiccup, Yura. Wait, there's more. Yeah, I didn't go to the hole yet. I think they'll just give you hints, maybe. Yura bucket is now my new PC background. Really? Okay. No screenshots. This is. Oh, okay. It's the same thing. Hiccups. Hey, Drake. Wait a minute. Hiccup. Okay. Distant space-time, distant future. Fall. Opening. Okay. Surrounding area. That. And then this is the infinite hole chart. More holes. It just keeps going. Isn't that? Wait, isn't that a diagram of skin? No? What is this? Never mind. Looks like skin.
Stanley, here's an idea that I'm truly fond of. It's never been done before in a video game. This is in fact a hole that you can fall down forever. That's right.
Let's go.
Infinite falling. You can fall until the end
Let's
of time,
go.
if you like.
We have buckets. We don't have to be scared
anymore.
anymore.
Games as a medium. You see, isn't it wonderful? One of my more ingenious concoctions, if I do say so. Now then, since you've gotten to see the infinite hole, you can press the teleport button to pop back up to the top, and we can continue onward.
Yeah? I'll just fall forever.
Now, I don't mean to be a bummer, but I do recommend you use the teleport button to go back to the top.
Let me
Maybe do it
fall!
on the sooner rather than later spectrum of things.
I wanna fall. Come on. Let me fall a little bit longer. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to fall for infinity. To infinity and beyond!
I don't know quite how to say this tactfully, but it's possible that I slightly exaggerated the infinite nature of the hole. Is it a very, very deep hole? To be certain it is. It's an extremely deep hole.
There's an ending?
I don't want anyone to say that it isn't an astonishingly deep hole. It is. Is it infinite? Well, that sort of depends on your definition of infinity. From one perspective, great. Now, I'm very excited
I can
to
feel
show
death,
you
guys.
even more of my ideas for the sequel.
Yeah, I'm having hiccups. Guys, I could feel the death. I could feel myself dying, so I think it's best not to die, right? Again, how long will it go? No, it was right there. I was saved. I don't want to die. What happens if we die? Do we die? Okay, let's do it. No fall damage. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, I guess we're back in the hole now. Did you really need to see it again? I don't know what else there is to say, Stanley. It's an infinite hole. It's exactly what you're doing right now, but forever. There really are so many other fascinating exhibits that I've prepared for you. I really spent quite a lot of time on all this, and I would very much like to show you some more of them. How about we go ahead and press that teleport button again so we can get back to what's really important about... Oh, goodness. Well, this is rather embarrassing, Stanley.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you, I truly did not believe that anyone would actually stay in the hole long enough to hit the bottom. Yes, I know, I told you the hole was infinite, but come on. Who actually wants to fall forever?
I mean, I was enjoying it.
It's more than deep enough, in my opinion. Maybe it's you who likes falling too much. Maybe you're the problem. Look, things got a little heated there. I think we both said some things we didn't mean. Why don't we just put all this behind us and agree to just call the hole mostly infinite? If that works for you.
Okay, mostly infinite. Sure, let's go. Mostly infinite. What happens if I do it again?
I'll just be up here when you're ready.
What happens if I do it again?
Oh, for heaven. You see, I was right. The problem is you. The problem is that you like holes too much. Not normal. A normal person would have said, yep, that's an infinite hole right there. Goes on forever till the end of time. Don't need to see it all, but not you. Oh, no, 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 no. You have a weird sort of... Oh. Does the hole seem even shorter to you this time? I couldn't help but feel like you spent a little less time in there than you did before. I mean, admittedly, I didn't make an infinite hole, but I didn't think it was that not infinite. Well, I suppose once again there's nothing to do here. If you decide you've had enough of the hole, you can hit the teleport button.
Why did
and
I
come
keep
join
doing
me
it
up above.
until it's like super short?
Had enough? I'm positively thrilled. Gosh, how could I have guessed? You're back in the hole. If this starts to become a thing where...
I can make it like really short.
Okay. Yes.
Oh.
I'm starting to become extremely certain that the hole is not only not infinite, but that it's growing steadily less and less infinite.
That's it. Again and
I
again.
suspect that I'm starting to hit the point
Yeah,
where it's no longer feasible to call the hole infinitely deep, even by the lax overall standards for accountability in marketing.
Excuse me.
What's going on here? Stanley, I have no explanation for the uncertain nature of the hole's length. Here, let's try something. Let's pop back up to the top, and we'll see if it gets any shorter. Well, there it is.
Oh,
the shame of my
my
lie has come to
hole!
haunt me. How is this still appealing to you? I know you're obsessed with holes, but at this depth, I just can't see this scratching the itch. Oh, who am I to judge? You just do whatever it is you're here to do and hit the teleport button when you're ready to move on.
No, guys, my hole.
Is the
Oh no. Oh no.
teleport button not
I'm
working?
trapped forever.
You sure?
Oh
Well, I mean,
no!
I
No!
really don't have an explanation. It was working just a moment ago. Try it again.
No, guys. No.
Still nothing? Well, I suppose there is one thing I can do to fix this. I'm out. Goodbye, Stanley. You couldn't bear to be away from the hole, and now you'll get more time with it than you could ever have asked for. It's a win for everyone. You get to be with the hole, I get to do literally anything else.
Come on.
Take
come
care,
on.
Stanley.
Come on, you don't have any
I
other
hope you
friends.
and the hole
You're
have a
only
wonderful rest of eternity together.
No. Well, at least I have the bucket. Let's name the bucket. Okay. Bucky. So Bucky, you like holes? We're in one right now, I guess. I guess this is considered a hole. I don't know. But we're in one right now. Oh, damn, there's a lot of cigarette butts here. Do you smoke, Bucky? I don't really like smokers. So if you smoke, we might have a problem. Holes before narrative bros. A bucket is just a portable hole. Sorry. It's moving, it's moving! Let's go, Bucky! Let's go. I knew the hole would never betray us. Let's go, Bucky, let's go. That's a good it. No smoking. I don't like smoke because it makes you smell like smoke, and I don't like the smell of it. Damn, this is exciting, right, Bucky? Come on. We can do this. This is my hole that was made for me. Jakuri. Change your perspective? Damn! 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 The bucket is with me. So if I didn't take the bucket, it doesn't look like it. Like the bucket won't be with me, is that it? Masaka! Machi! Uso! Can't like that. It's a party hole. We'll change our reality. Damn! Look at the... I feel like a DJ. Excuse me. Young Lulu, change yourself. Damn! Damn! I like this one. Wait, guys.
My head's stronger. You're no longer using up the space of mine. My head's stronger. You're
Stanley?
no longer.
Stanley!
No!
Oh, good, you're awake. It seems
No,
you
I'm
had sort of
playing.
dozed off there, drifting away into dreamland. But we can't have that, Stanley.
No.
Because this hole is just so darn fascinating that I want you to be wide awake for every second of it. You don't want to miss a single moment. So how about if I just pop in from time to time and wake you up to keep you really, truly focused on the hole? From the looks of things, you and I will have many, many years here in this hole.
Oh my.
And I'm looking forward to all of them.
I don't mind.
Stay alert, Stanley.
My head's
I'll be
stronger. You're something's no longer. I like that song. Come on. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, it's starting. It's starting, guys. Is it start? It's starting. It's starting. Aww. Oh no, it was a dream hole the whole time. My head's stronger. Oh.
Here we are. Go on. Try out some of the new features.
Oh, damn it. Okay, that's new. That's new. Okay, let's go there. So you got the bucket. We got like the hole. What happened to my hole? Oh, he removed it. He removed the hole thingy. The infinite hole is gone now. Always has been. That was a good ending. Oh wait, it's here. Okay. What happens if I go back to it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What happens if I go back to my hole? Here, go get the button. The gym button. Wait, oh, sorry, I'm having hiccups right now. Aww, he closed the doors on me. God damn it. My hole. Hodoko. I'm not sure anything new happens, but I might be wrong. No hole anymore. Okay, let's go to that one. That's new. Yeah, I closed on my hole. How do I get up there to go there? Okay, oh, here. You are smart. No more hole for you. Hole's closing. Go over here. Sorry, I'm having like hiccups right now. So, but I'm just letting it go. I'm just letting myself hiccup. Ooh. Epilogue.
An epilogue would be fun, wouldn't it, Stanley? Yes, it will go at the end of the, well, we'll figure that out later.
Ooh. Do you guys like games with epilogue? I'm gonna go see if the button is still there. I don't think the button is there anymore, but let me check. Finger. Actually, why did we name the bucket Bucky? We should have named you Jim. What do you think? Jim Bucky. Jim Buckasern. Jim Buckasern the third. Okay, that's your name now. So we can call you Bucky or Jim. Let's go, Jim. Epilogues aren't bad. Hydrate to remove the hic. Doesn't work that way. This is a gym kind of bucket. I think we saw all the features. I think. Did we miss any? I don't think so, right? If we didn't miss any, I'm gonna move on. What do you guys think? Let's see. Let me read this. Merge. The button that says the player's name, infinite hole. I think we are done. Office decorations. This map. Yep, we are done. Let's go. A hole. Cause the hole. I hold my breath to get rid of hiccups. Jimbe from One Piece. Okay, where do I go again? I remember there was a really long thingy where I can go. What happens if I go up there, actually? What happens if I go up there? Okay, let's go up there. We still need the collectibles. I think I've done everything. I think that's all there is. There's other, there's only setting the world record speedrun, but that's not necessarily needed to do. This is another upstairs. Setting world championship. Could it be? How do I do it? How do I get this feat? Setting world championship. How do I do that? Never mind. You're not a champion yet. Oh, okay. Like that? You need to adjust all the sliders to max. I think it opens. You need to get every single number on every single setting. Like what? Like everything 100? My game's gonna be broken. No? Oh god. Oh god, guys. Oh, excuse me. Oh god. I hate this. I can't even get up there. Okay. I don't understand this language. Wait. Like that? Okay, this is a little bit. It will notify you when you don't exit the screen. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I can just stay here and do everything. Is that it?